Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to share my personal experience on my learning journey so far, because I'm still learning. The journey is still on. The journey never ends, so the life is all about learning. I'm just here to share my personal experience, my personal guides on tutorial help. So far so good. I've been learning web dev now, EA plus right now. So, when I started, I was taking so much courses from Udemy, even on YouTube and all of that. At some point, I just got so glued watching all these courses on YouTube, even on Udemy, I hardly do things on my own. So when I want to do something, let's say for example, okay, I've watched enough videos, I want to go there, I want to try out something on my own, I'll feel so dumb, I can't do anything. Something, let's say for example, let's say a particular concept which I understand from watching the videos, if I want to apply them now into something practical, I won't do anything. I will feel so dumb doing something there. So that was when I actually realized I'm in tutorial hell. So I also wasted time there too, because I keep watching videos upon videos just on that particular thing. Okay, let's say for example, when I was learning about Tailwind CSS, I watched so many videos on Tailwind, did so many projects with so many videos even on projects on Tailwind. So when I tried to build a website using Tailwind, at first I sucked. I felt so bad, I couldn't do anything. So I just have to go back, then watch one more video. Then I told myself that, see, I'm not watching this video again. With all that I've actually learned, I'm going to do something. And trust me, I was able to build 2-3 good websites using Tailwind with no tutorial, whatever. I have to go to front end, mentor, look at the template there, look at the materials, then build that something exactly like that. The same thing when I was learning JavaScript. I watched so many YouTubers on JavaScript. Mosh, Brad Traversy, Simplified Dev by Ed. So many people. I was watching so many. When I was watching the videos, it would seem so easy. It will look like I'm absorbing the content, but when I go there to do something, I'll feel so empty. So that made me to actually realize I'm in tutorial help. So I need to do less of watching or do more of project. So that's just the whole thing. You waste so much time watching so many videos, but when you actually want to do something, you feel so dumb. So that's how you're in tutorial help. So how do you get out of this tutorial help? Do more of what? Building project. Even though as little as it is. When I started HTML, I did so many projects of HTML, biography, list. I did a lot of things. Even when I did CSS, so many things. When I did Bootstrap, all the same. When I did Tailwind, So JavaScript was a little bit foggy for me, but I was able to scale through, even though I'm still on the process of trying to master the thing. Then React and all of that. When starting out, it's tempting to keep watching these videos on the name of you are learning new concept, but you're actually soaking yourself into this world of tutorial help, because you keep watching videos, and the worst part of it is the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm will keep suggesting videos on that particular thing. Some of them will have very good catchy title, but if you watch the video, it still boils down to the same thing, same concept, same pattern which you watched before. You keep watching videos all over and over again, but at some point you see are still stuck in that thing. So the best way to do is do more of projects and less watching of these videos. So that will help you. That's actually what helps me. The way I do things is I'll watch a particular video. Maybe after watching a video for the first time, I feel that the concept was not that clear to me. I will watch the video second time. Then the second time I'll pay more attention. Then I will use the little knowledge which I have grabbed to do something. Even though I am stuck, I will go and do research. As ChatGPT, make research on Google. At least try to do something out of it on my own, so that I will drive the point home right inside my head. That's how I learn. That's how I've been doing this through. Because JavaScript was hard beginning. When I started React, React hooks was like, what's all this thing? What's like, I don't understand, what's it for? But right now, it all makes sense a little bit. It's all still making sense to me, because I get to put more actions, try to do more of these things than just sticking to watching videos and all of that. Because when you want to put in the practical world now, it will not seem so easy when watching the videos than actually doing it on your own. So this is just me sharing my ideas on this tutorial hall of a theme. So do more projects, watch less video. That's just the end goal of this video. More projects, less watching of videos, because it will actually make you to get the concept right. So thanks guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like, give a thumbs up to support what YouTube algorithm and all of that. Also, I'll see you guys on the next one.